The Supreme Court has identified 8 key issues for determination in the consolidated petition, challenging the declaration of William Ruto as President-elect and Rigathi Gachagua as Deputy President-elect. Top on this list is whether election technology deployed by the electoral body, IEBC, met the standards of integrity and verifiability to guarantee accurate results. Now, whether there were discrepancies in results announced at the polling stations and those verified at the National Tallying Center is also a key issue for determination by the Apex Court. Francis Gachuri now enumerates the 8 questions that Chief Justice Martha Koome and her panel must answer by Monday.
We have framed 9 issues that have been shared with you.
After going through the prayers and relief sought by the petitioners challenging the August 9th presidential poll outcome, the Supreme Court distilled the key issues that it will seek to determine by Monday when the 14-day tenure for handling State House race contests lapses, with election technology deployed by IEBC to conduct the August 9th presidential election. Anchoring the consolidated petition, Chief Justice Martha Koome and her 6 Supreme Court colleagues listed it top on the list of issues for determination. The Apex Court judges will determine whether the election technology deployed by IEBC met the requisite standards on integrity, verifiability and security to guarantee accurate results. The lead petitioners Raila Odinga and Martha Koome claim election technology deployed by IEBC was procured in an opaque manner and designed to fail. The Supreme Court judges will also be called to determine whether there was interference with uploading of statutory results declaration forms from the 46,229 polling stations to the IEBC portal. Petitioners claim forms sent from the polling stations were intercepted and results altered. The judges will also determine if results uploaded on the IEBC portal tallied with those submitted to IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati by the constituency returning officers for verification at the National Tallying Center. The Supreme Court will also seek to establish if Forms 34A uploaded on the IEBC portal were the same as copies issued to presidential candidates' agents at the polling stations. The petitioners have cited discrepancies in the forms, claiming third parties were granted access to IEBC systems ostensibly to tinker with the results. Odinga and Koome have in their petition accused IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati of postponing gubernatorial elections in Mombasa and Kakamega to suppress voter turnout in areas considered their political strongholds, with the elections postponement in Kakamega and Mombasa counties, as well as 4 parliamentary races in Rongai, Kacheliba, Pokot South and Kitui Rural attributed to ballot papers mix-up. Odinga and Koome claim the errors were deliberate to disadvantage them. This is also a key issue for determination by the 7-judge Supreme Court bench.
Number 5, whether there were unexplained discrepancies between the votes cast for presidential candidates and other elective positions.
Verification of presidential election results at the Bomas of Kenya is also a matter for determination by the judges. They will also settle with finality questions on the role of IEBC commissioners in the verification exercise and powers of the commission's chairman in declaration of presidential results. 4 IEBC commissioners Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, Irene Masit, Francis Wanderi and Justus Nyang'aya have accused Chebukati of usurping their power. Whether President-elect William Ruto met the constitutional threshold of garnering more than half of the presidential votes cast and at least 25% in not less than 24 counties will also be a key issue for determination by the Supreme Court judges. The petitioners claim none of the State House contenders met the threshold and want a repeat poll ordered. The judges will also determine if there were electoral irregularities and illegalities in the August 9th presidential race and whether they were of a magnitude that affects the final result as declared by Chebukati.
And finally, what reliefs and orders can this court grant or issue?
Should the judges find no merit in the grounds for petition, they will uphold the declaration of Ruto as president-elect, paving the way for his swearing in as the country's 5th president on 13th of September. If the judges find merit in the consolidated petitions and nullify the results as the court did in 2017, a fresh presidential race will be conducted within 60 days. Francis Gachuri, Citizen TV.